In this video I'm going to cover the most common question people ask: what is tax, and why do we have to pay tax? Hi, my name is The Alchemist, and today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions that people ask, which is what exactly the tax means, and why do we have to pay tax? Now you might think it's a simple question with a simple answer, but let me explain why. Let's look in detail what actually the tax is. A tax is a financial charge or other levy imposed upon a taxpayer by a state or the functional equivalent of a state, such that failure to pay is punishable by law. Taxes are also imposed by many subnational entities. Taxes are usually granted and collected by the government, which is responsible for the territory within which the tax is imposed. Collection of taxes and implementation of tax law is normally the responsibility of tax authorities, but enforcement of taxation law may be done by private enterprises as well. The legal definition, methods of calculation, collection, and administration may vary widely by jurisdiction. Many jurisdictions require immediate payment for all taxes whether or not they are due. Some jurisdictions allow the individual some time to pay, such as installments in arrears, while others may allow for a delay in payment. The tax may be imposed on income of individuals, corporations, real estate property, capital assets, and transactions involving the same. In addition to income tax, other taxes may be imposed on corporations, including capital gains tax, value-added tax or other sales-related taxes, payroll and other withholding taxes, environmental taxes, and lastly, estate and gift taxes. Let's go through some of the kinds of taxes that one pay to the government. Number 1. Regressive tax. A regressive tax is one where the proportion of income paid in tax decreases as income increases. A regressive tax therefore has the effect of being more difficult for people on lower incomes to pay than those on higher incomes. For example, a sales tax is a regressive form of taxation, and it would be based on 20% of the cost of an item. Someone earning £10,000 per year would have to pay 20% of their income in tax, while someone on £100,000 per year pays only 10% on that same item. Number 2. Proportional tax. A proportional tax is a levy that extracts a small proportion of personal income or business profits. This type of levies includes the personal income tax, Social Security contributions, capital duty, and corporate taxes. Individuals as well as companies are typically subject to either direct or indirect forms of proportional tax. For example, countries use direct taxation to extract money from citizens who are considered to have high net worths and incomes. Number 3. Progressive tax. A progressive tax means that the proportion of income paid in tax increases as income increases. It therefore has the effect of being easier for people on lower incomes to pay than those on higher incomes. The opposite of a sales tax is an income tax. Someone earning £10,000 per year would be taxed less than someone on £100,000 per year. Now that we have understood the different kinds of taxes, let's discuss some of the reasons that why we pay a portion of our income to the government. Number 1. Social welfare PAC. Our government uses taxes to help fund social welfare programs, which are important for society's less privileged individuals. We need these services because without them, those in need would not be able to receive the medical care and other assistance they deserve. In fact, our tax dollars have helped build various institutions such as hospitals that provide critical support systems all across this great nation of ours. Number 2. Sustain government. Tax is what keeps the government alive, whether we like it or not. It's a life source that you should be patriotic about, because without tax money to fund programs and protect us from others' countries, there would be no way for any nation to sustain itself. While taxes are essential in order for our country to function properly, they're also important enough that if you don't pay them at all, then your citizenship could get revoked by law. Number 3. Avoid tax back. The amount of money we owe the government is back taxes. Sometimes when people are in a financial bind, they think about ways to cut their tax bill and avoid paying them altogether. However, this isn't really worth it, because not only do you have to pay interest on your unpaid taxes, but also there could be fines or even jail time for failing to meet your obligations. Therefore, as an American citizen, I would rather just save myself from having too much stress by resolving my defaulted duties right away, so I don't get bothered anymore later down the road with reminders that will cause me more headaches than what I am willing to bear now, since it's already difficult enough being unemployed at this moment. These were the different reasons why we pay tax to our government. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like that. Tell us in the comments section about how much you like the video and any topic that you would like to hear from us. Thank you, from The Alchemist.